Hi! In front of me is the OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Firstly, you can simply hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice by selecting Remove Widget. You can also hold your device's display instead, and then tap on this little icon at the top right corner of your search bar. Lastly, confirm your choice in the same pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!